Terri Kimble here with the Chandler Chamber, and we are so excited to bring you some new and cutting edge news that's happening right here in Chandler. I have with me here today David Moss with the Chandler Fashion Center, and we're standing here in front of the Cervezas restaurant. What's coming here?
Well, we're really excited because we've got a new local concept that's coming called Lulabelle's Low Country Kitchen and Raw Bar. We're really excited about it because it's going to bring something we don't have here, which is basically the raw bar, the oysters and the lobster and some of these other pieces that you can't get, that Southern comfort kind of stuff that you just can't get anywhere else. That's
very exciting. Now, that's a brand new concept, first to Arizona, correct?
Correct, yeah. They got one under construction up at Scottsdale Quarter, and this is the other one under construction.
That's very exciting news. When is it opening?
We're looking at summer this year. So we actually think it could get sooner, maybe back to school, or not back to school, but right before that, end of school, but we think back to school is probably more likely.
How many square feet will they have here?
This will be about a 5,000 to 6,000 square foot restaurant.
Wow, that's a pretty good size. You heard it here first, Chandler Fashion Center, where new things are coming.